So let's have a quick look at this Cambridge amp that I repaired at Railworld. Normally we expect the capacitors to blow out the tops. These are the expansion lines. When the liquid bursts out the top, it's time to replace the capacitor. Apart from one with a little bit of obvious damage to the top, most of these leaked out the bottom. Here you can see all the crud on the motherboard. So I'll take them all out and clean the motherboard ready for putting the new capacitors in. Here's the board finished with all the new capacitors ready to rock and roll. And here's all the old blown capacitors. Full credit should really go to Tony, as he identified the parts that needed replacing and gave a part number for the customer to order. I just did the labour. So after leaving the repair cafe at Railworld, I nipped over to the Greenback yard to check out an inverter that I had that had not been working for some time. With a few cobwebs and wood lice inside. The fan was also jammed up with wood lice. A few other creepy crawlies. I then found a load of blown transistors and resistors. Some were so bad it was impossible to identify them. These transistors were burnt out in several places and also burnt through the board as well. So we'll let it rest in peace. This weekend we're in Yaxley and next month we're back at Railworld. Please see our Facebook page for more details.